And as you guys can see, this is Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart, and if you look at my previous analysis on Bitcoin, this is what I have. Okay, I told you guys that if I was expecting short on Bitcoin, and if there's a break above this resistance zone, you can expect the market to start going up. Okay, so if probably you know how to edge, you have not the right time to enter, buy, to edge out yourself. So last week, 2 days ago, I was anticipating that price was going to be dropping, and as you guys can see, the price didn't drop. So, and I said if price breaks this zone, we can expect it to go up. And as you guys can see right now, we are in a bullish trend where I'm gonna be doing another analysis on Bitcoin right now. So looking at Bitcoin, what I can see right now is a short. Okay, so price, there is no entry right now. Price has moved already. Okay, maybe I'm anticipating something like this to happen, then it drop. Okay, if anything like this happen, I'm looking to sell from here, and any anything that make price goes above this zone, then we're expecting a bullish trend. Okay, so that's simple. There's nothing really hard. There's no stop loss. I don't need stop loss. I hedge my trade to profit. I hedge my trade to what? Profit. You don't need to do too much when you're trading. Just keep it simple and do the same thing over and over again. So 2 days ago, I made analysis that Bitcoin is going to be dropped, and as you guys can see, price did it. And I said if price breaks above this zone, you can expect a bullish boost to the upside in Bitcoin. So if you guys have any question, let me know. And if you guys are interested in learning how to edge, send me a text on Telegram and I'll show you how to edge. Teach you how to edge. So market is just like a staircase. Alright, so we have this break of structure, and then there's this pullback, and you can see price didn't break this resistance zone, then drops. So what I'm anticipating on Bitcoin right now is for price to pull back to somewhere here, break this low that we have here, and then pull back, so we can get an entry from here to short on Bitcoin. If you guys have any pair you want to analyze, and I will also show you where to edge, so you make loss. I don't use stop loss when I'm trading. I edge out my trade to profit. So if you guys want to learn how to edge just like I do, test me on Telegram. So that's just it. Basically, what I'm expecting on Bitcoin right now is a short, but there's no entry right now. I don't have an entry on gold. If I was to be here early, I would have gotten in from somewhere here and then short it. So but right now there's no entry. I need to wait for price to take out this low, then I wait for pullback and I short it. So that is that on Bitcoin. This is what I'm expecting on Bitcoin. If you guys have any pair you want me to analyze, okay, you can just comment down and I'll do that. So 2 days ago on GPUSD, I was expecting a pullback. I was expecting a pullback on GPUSD, but it didn't happen. So we're just gonna let that run. Alright, just gonna let that run on GPUSD. So right now GPUSD is really not giving us any sweet entry. So GPUSD, but I'm expecting a pullback, because if you look at the market right now, there's a big up structure on GPUSD. We have this big up structure. So there's this big of structure. So anytime there's a break of structure in the market, in the chart, just always expect a pullback.